Hey, money magnets. Navy Federal fans are switching to Chevron Credit Union for their $25,000 credit cards.
Look, guys, the great thing about this credit union, not only do they give high limits, anybody can join. It's really easy, and we're going to tell you that later in the video.
Okay, Marvin, so let's jump into the first card that Chevron offers, okay? So they have the Visa Max Cash Preferred Card. Now, with this card, you can get 5% back on purchases of $2,000 of combined, it has to be combined purchases, Marvin, okay, for quarterly purchases in two categories: for TV, internet service, streaming, your cell phone service. A lot of credit unions now with these cards, they're going to like cell phone protection and things to that nature. So these are great benefits, okay? Now, also it gives you 2% back on unlimited, but you have to choose two categories, okay? Now, those categories are like gas stations, ground transportation, and things to that nature, okay? And it also gives you 1% on all other purchases, okay? Yeah, that's not bad, you know? Now, let's dive into what kind of special offer this card has, okay? So it gives you a $150 bonus after you spend $500 in the first 90 days. Now, like typically cards want you to spend quite a bit more, but this card does not, which is absolutely amazing. Now, Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, Gloria, we got the Visa Platinum card. Now, this is good for an extended low introductory rate. This is the card, if I were you, I would save on interest if I was doing this, because the low introductory rate for an extended period of time allows you to save on interest. Now, this is also a good card to do a balance transfer on. Or if you think you got a large purchase coming up, or maybe unexpected purchases or last minute trips or last minute things you want to do, this will be good so you don't give away a lot of money in interest. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, so Marvin, the next card is the Visa Everyday Rewards card. Now, when we say everyday, that means everyday purchases that you may use your card for. Like you get 4 times the points with this card on dining and takeout and, food delivery, like your Uber Eats, your Grubhub. So if you are a person that likes to dine out, this is the card for you, okay? The next benefit of this card, it gives you 2 times unlimited points on groceries, on deliveries, on gas stations, and it also gives you that $150 when you spend $500 in the first 90 days. So this card is a good card, just for your everyday shopping and your everyday use. Okay, so Marvin, let's dive into the next card.
All right, the next card is the Visa Travel Rewards card. This is great if you travel a lot, you buy tickets or you travel for work. This could be good to get a lot of points. All right, they give 4 times unlimited points on travel, gas station, electric charging vehicles, entertainment and recreation purposes. Also, 1.5 times unlimited points on all other eligible purchases. Okay, you also get a $250 bonus reward after you spend $2,000 in the first 120 days. No foreign transaction fees, which that's great. And also redeem your points for travel, cashback, and more. And guys, I want you to really look at this, look at your lifestyle before you pick one of these cards, because you could be hurting yourself as far as earning points. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Okay, Marvin, so let's talk about the next card. This is the big boy card, okay? This is the Visa Reserve Rewards card. Now, Marvin, we talk about all the time, like using your card for your benefit, because you can earn those rewards points. Now, if you are big on traveling and in entertainment, like Marvin and I, we travel quite a bit. So this card will most definitely benefit us, okay? With this card, you get 6 times unlimited points. And you get $100 credit, a statement credit, after you book your travel inside the reward center. Now that right there, Marvin, can be a cash flow changer, okay? You also get 2 times the points on all other purchases, and you get 500 bonus rewards points after you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days. Now, this is that big boy card. So if you do a lot of traveling, this could possibly be the card for you. You can also get a $240 statement credit on eligible purchases. Okay, so just check out all the rewards that this card has to offer and make sure it fits your situation before you apply. Now, Marvin, let's go to the next card.
And remember, guys, these cards go up to $25,000. Don't forget that. All right, guys, we're going to talk about the Visa Max Cash Secure Card. Not only can you improve your credit, but you can earn points. Look, you can get 5% cash back on the first 2,000 combined quarterly purchases in 2 categories. Now we're talking about our Netflix, streaming services, utility, cell phone provider. Also, you can get 2% unlimited cash back on your choice of one everyday category like gas or ground transportation, Uber, Lyft, stuff like that. You can also get 1% unlimited cash back on all other eligible purchases. You can redeem cash back for a statement credit, rewards card, or a deposit to a qualifying account. This is a lot of benefits while you're improving your credit. So remember, if you're in the middle of credit repair, this might be the card that you want, and you can also get benefits while using your money.
Most definitely, Marvin. And one thing I love about these secure cards that have reward points is because, like, especially when they're talking about streaming service and things to that nature, you're paying these bills already.
Anyway,
so why not reap some of the benefits from it?
Exactly.
You know, so let's dive into the next secure card that they offer. Now, Marvin, we're going to talk about the Visa Secure Card.
Okay.
Now, with this particular card, you don't earn any, reward points for, using the card, but you do earn interest on your savings account.
That's nice.
That right there is pretty nice. But I think I like the, the rewards better,
If you're going to put up the money, you might as well get the extra points.
Exactly. So with this particular card, it is most definitely a credit builder. So keep in mind, money magnets, that these credit unions are opening up the doors for you to start building that relationship because that's what it's all about, building a relationship. And with them offering secure cards, that's letting you in the door to say, hey, we want to build that relationship with you. So let's look at, they have one more card that we need to dive into.
All right, Gloria, this card is the Visa College Real Rewards cards. I really love cards like this because we're working on our last college graduates, you guys.
Yes.
And helping them build their credit and learn how to use credit cards in college is really important. And they can actually earn points with this. So with this card, you can earn 1.5 points per dollar that you spend on all eligible purchases. All right, no cap or limit on points that you can earn. Plus, you have 5 years to redeem points for rewards. So they can like save up the points and use it for something while they're in college. Also, you get 2,500 bonus reward points after the first purchase, redeemable for $25 cash back on merchandise, gift cards, and other travel savings. But Gloria, I think this is a great card for young adults. Let's tell them about the personal lines of credit that Chevron offers.
Okay, so with Chevron line of credit, it goes up to $25,000. And with this line of credit, it's an open line of credit. So you can use it, pay it back, and use it again. And the process to get approved for this is very simple. So check out that. And Marvin, let's dive into the loan products that they have.
Okay. All right, Gloria, with the personal loan, it also goes up to $25,000. And the great thing about it, you can get terms up to 60 months. So you can borrow for as little as 12 months all the way to 60 months. What I love about this is great for a major purchase, if you're doing some remodeling around the house, or if you just want to take a vacation and pay for it over time. The personal loan is not bad. But Gloria, let's jump into the auto loans.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about these auto loans.
Okay.
One thing I do love, as of this video, they are giving you 90 days before your first payment is due.
That's good.
And you have 84 months that you can, finance your loan up to. That right there can be a cash flow changer, money magnet.
Yeah, and they say that you can refinance if you have a high interest loan. They may be able to give you a lower rate. Look, guys, if anybody out there is a member of Chevron already and you had some experience with them, please comment below what your experience is, or if you're thinking about joining, drop that below as well.
Okay, Marvin, before we go into the next product, I want to tell them how can they join this credit union.
You can join the Financial Fitness Association for only $8. So that means anybody in the U.S. can join this credit union.
Yes.
Also, they pull Equifax as far as a bureau. And when they sign you up for membership, it's no hard pull. But if I were you guys, I make sure I have less than 3 inquiries on my credit report in the last 6 months. Also, I would try to have a 680 or higher if I'm trying to go right in and apply for something. And if you have credit issues, guys, remember those secured cards can help you bring your score up while you're in credit repair.
Most definitely. But Marvin, let's talk about the home loans and what they have to offer.
Okay.
Okay, Money Magnets, this credit union has a lot to offer. It's a one-stop shop.
Right.
They do have home loans, okay?
Right.
And if you're looking to buy a home and you're a first-time home buyer, they have a program for that.
Yeah.
And if you're looking to purchase a home and you live outside the country and you want to move inside the U.S.,
yeah,
they'll give you a dedicated loan officer to help you set up everything, okay?
Wow.
Okay, Marvin. I have a gem.
All right, what you got?
Okay, so if you're looking for another credit union that is better than Navy Federal, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.